Today is a beautiful day. I am grateful and thankful for another beautiful chance to live on planet Earth. Love and compassion flows through my body, mind and soul. I am grateful for all the lessons and new opportunities that come my way. I love myself and I love my dreams. I love the way I learn from my mistakes to achieve my goals. I am a powerful, calm, and a divine soul. I am meant to do great things in my life. I am living my best life. I do things because I choose to and not because I have to. I observe my thoughts and entertain only those that empower me. My life is full of abundance. Money flows to me easily. I heal from all my traumas completely. I am worthy and I am enough. I forgive easily and I love easily. I love myself the way I am. I accept myself and I let go of all the resistances that are blocking me from achieving greater heights in my life. I love my family. I love the fact we are a close-knit family. I love the fact that I'm able to handle all the stress in my life in the best possible way. I am calm, composed, and a peaceful being. My children learn to manage themselves by looking at how I manage myself. I am positive. I am courageous. I am calm. I am confident. And I am unstoppable.